I don't know what bit me. I don't think it was a mosquito. I was sitting down taking a break at this little table right here. Noticed a tickle between my knuckle and something bit me. I'm thinking it was a spider. What to do with my little piece? That's why I try to clean up as I go, because these stupid things, they're holding these big panels in with these giant nails, which stick right into my boots. I've had like 7 nails stuck in my boots so far. Alright, I think this is why the kitchen had so many problems and why the floor was layered on top of layer for so long. One simple little thing. I think it just couldn't drain properly and it was leaking from here. If we look at this pipe, you see where the bubble is? Way off to the side. Should be like that. That's level. I'm pretty sure you want it to be slightly down. I'm gonna have to do some extensive work on this wall, I think. I'll probably put a temporary wall right here in the middle, right along here, to support these trusses. And then I'm gonna rip most of this out, I think. There's only a few good pieces in here. This here is gonna be a sliding glass door anyhow. And I think we've got some rot on the beam itself. So getting the weight off of this so that I can properly work on it will be good. Old. There's no signs of life here. But man, they took that whole 2x4 and they just ate it up. Oh man, I got a nice little triangle here. Almost a triangle.
Subscribe!